Yes, welcome again in my tutorial. Today we are going to learn about Microsoft Word. In Microsoft Word, we are going to see about introduction to Microsoft Word. Also, we are going to see different parts and features found in Microsoft Word document. Yes, let we proceed by doing the following. The first step is to find the Word application document by searching from the start bar or start menu by searching the word, by typing Word. After typing Word, you see the program or application of the Word document is appearing like this way. Now you're clicking. After clicking, you see now we choose new blank document because we need to modify this document whatever we want. But if we want, we can switch also or more template from this side. Now let we proceed with new blank document. After clicking on a new blank document, now you see the application appearing like this way. Now you see there is different party on this document in this desktop. Now you see there is a different part of this application as appearing like this way. There is quick access toolbar, and on this quick access toolbar there is different things found on quick access toolbar. The thing found on this tools is undo section. There is the redo section, also draw table, maybe also there is different text effect, or there is save tab. Also in this down arrow describe this shortcut of the quick access toolbar like this way. As you see, there is save, there is undo, there is redo, and all other things which you found in the quick access toolbar. Also, there is another feature which is ribbon. Ribbon is a feature which is consists of different tabs. I mean tabs, file tab, home tab, insert tab, draw tab, design tab, layout tab, references tab, mailing, review, view, help, and as tab. Also there is a format tab which is appearing on ribbon feature after clicking on the top of image or symbol. Yes, that tab appearing after clicking or pressing the mouse or pointer on the top of the image, picture, or any symbol. Also, there is another features of the document which is document area. This is document area. As you see here, this is the display. This is section display where you can type your words or your letter, or you can put anything in your document, maybe picture or anything you want to put on your document. This document area divided into 3 parts. First part is header, the header, and the second part is body, and the last part is footer. Inside the footer, you can write different description, including page number or maybe any conclusion you need to put here. Another feature is title bar. Title bar is the name of your document, usually appearing on the top of desktop. You see here, this name is document 5 in Word application. This feature is called title bar. Also, there is another part which is zoom slider. Zoom slider is for zooming. I mean, if you want your document to appear or letters to appear in large or minimum size, you need to use zoom slider. Zoom slider enable you to see your words or your document in minimum or maximum way, whatever you want, but for temporary. Also, there is page information. I mean, page information appearing in this side. Here you see that your document has a single page or one page. That means 1 out of 1 page. This area is page information side. Also, there is part of word counter. I mean, in your document consists different characters, words, letters, and words. That letter must be counted and shown in this place. Maybe you are writing maybe letter R. Letter R, this is one letter. That's why here your word consists one letter. Also this place including page information. After looking here, we need to see another feature, which is page view option. Page view option is found here. You can view your document in 3 ways, as you see here. There is different ways, like this one. Also, there is this way. There's this way. This way of your document appearing like this way, and after looking these features of your document, Word document application, now we can describe each tab. As you see, the tab found in ribbon. There's a files, and the home tab, organization tab, and so on. So we need to press on the home tab or to see or features found in Home tab. There's different features found in Home tab, including clipboard, font, kuna paragraph, kuna style, and editing features. In clipboard, you see here there is a paste, there is a cut and copy, there is a format tab. When you pressing here on the bottom right of clipboard, you see here there is features including clipboard. In clipboard, you see including options like cut, copy, and paste. Also, there is font side. In font side, there is body, there is italic, there is underline option, and different option. Here you can minimize or change the size of your words or your letter. You can change the size of your letter. You can change type of your fonts. You can change the type of your fonts. Maybe you can increase the size of your letters, or increase the size of your letters. Maybe you can change your letters in uppercase, lowercase, or mix the case. Maybe capital letter at the first of each words, like this one. These features found in Home tab. Also, there is how to keep that page in different ways. Maybe you need the way to appear at the left of your document, or at the center of your document, or right side of your document, or to be scattered justify on your document. Here there is numbering system in your document. Also, there is bullet in your document. All this found in Home tab. Also, in these different features, we will proceed in next tutorial. You will see these features. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel in order to get more tutorial, so as you can learn more from Word, and you will be better in writing, formulating, and creating your better document. Subscribe on my YouTube channel so as to get different things from how to learn computer. Thank you very much. God bless you.